Hi, welcome back, and today we will have a look at next new notebook, which concerns loops and iterables. So basically, what it is when you want your program to conduct many times the same task. So very easy example would be, for instance, someone is clicking a mouse button or some button on a keyboard, and each time he pushes this button, you want to increase count. So +1, +1, +1, +1, something like this. Or you have a list of numbers and you want to increase each of them by 1, or by 10, or by 100. You don't want to do it by hand, go through this list. Imagine this list has 200 values or something. You don't want to go one by one and change 200 things. You want to tell Python, okay, take these 200 things and increase each one by some number, let's say 17. This is like, if you imagine that computers cannot do things like this, then the use cases for computers, for programming, would be like much more interesting for people and for society. So yeah, this is like the third main concept which actually makes programming useful after functions and conditional statements. So we in this notebook we will have a look at things connected with loops and iterables, and hopefully you will have some fun, and it will be interesting for you. So thanks, and see you in the next video.